Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming essentials. Your Apple TV or AirPlay 2 TV and your iPhone are on the same Wi-Fi. Once done, open the fitness app on your device and choose a Fitness Plus workout. Tap the AirPlay icon, then pick your TV. If you use the Apple TV app, sign in with the same Apple ID, then select the Fitness Plus video. Make sure sound routes to the TV or to Bluetooth headphones. This starts the session and sends metrics to the big screen. You now pick the workout details, trainer, duration, and style, because that affects pacing and equipment. Connect Bluetooth headphones or speakers for clearer audio, and make sure your Apple Watch is paired to send heart rate and calorie data. Once the video plays on TV, use the Fitness app or Apple TV remote to enable on-screen metrics so you can watch heart rate and rings in real time. Adjust volume and brightness, and if you want intervals, set them before starting to match your goal. You finish by ending the workout on the TV or closing the session from your iPhone. The Fitness app automatically saves the summary to your workouts. Once saved, review heart rate graphs, calories burned, and trends on your iPhone to track progress. If you encounter audio lag, video stutter, or missing metrics, try this troubleshooting tip. Restart AirPlay by stopping and restarting AirPlay on your device. Then reboot your router or Apple TV if needed. This typically resolves latency.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.